Brushless electric motor digital control system. Auto stop function. It's hard to believe this isn't a description of a sports car, but of a real. It's called Penfathom and it opens the door to the future of fishing. The line counter alone, which automatically adjusts to the line's diameter, is reason enough to be impressed. But the reel's price is also significant, starting at $950. The Infinity Stingray is a newcomer to the electric fishing boat market. The first production model was delivered to its owner this July. This boat comes with a system designed specifically for saltwater electric fishing, which uses an electric field to temporarily stun fish. Then all you need is a net. Remote-controlled bait boats are becoming more affordable and advanced. Take the Flytech V030 for example. It sells for $180 and offers an impressive range of features, including sonar, a bait compartment, GPS support, and even autopilot. The X2Bait liner is another strong contender. It's designed for carp fishing and can carry up to 1 kilogram of bait. Add to that its 250-meter range and its $455 price tag feels justified. The broader net clip is made for fly fishing nets and works so well. Its creators have applied for a patent. It's easy to use even with bags and wading belts. And thanks to its magnetic and mechanical locking system, you can attach or detach your net with one hand. The broader starts at $30. The Tata walking stick costs $86. It folds out in seconds and becomes a stool that can support up to 136 kilograms. Anglers are sure to appreciate that. The Sigmet Sniper Barrel is a reliable companion for your fishing trips. It weighs under 10 kilograms and can be disassembled for easier transport and storage. At the same time, it offers impressive load capacity thanks to its low center of gravity. It's also very stable on the trails that lead to fishing spots. The price is $177. These collapsible containers can be used for live bait or to transport your catch. They come in 23, 30, and 38-liter sizes and start at $30. The Kawasaki Jetski Ultra 160 LXS angler can be outfitted with a wide range of fishing accessories. At the very least, anglers will appreciate the gumming chart plotter, the rear rack width for rod holders, and the side floats that improve stability at low speeds. With a hull draft of 40 cm, this jet ski is ideal for shallow water fishing. The price is around $19,000. Hollis is a device that helps you measure and to weigh your catch. Results are shown in both metric and imperial units, and if you connect Halos to its mobile app, you can also take photos tagged with the date, weather, location, and more. This device starts at $79. The Ripton JX1 rod holder is priced at $266. Why so much for starters? It features aerospace-grade springs and weighs just 1.5 kilogram. It also folds and unfolds in a second at the push of a button. Bait fuel was developed over more than 2 years, with the help of top biologists, and the results speak for themselves. When applied to soft plastic fishing lures, bait fuel not only mimics the scent and flavor, but also triggers fish to strike. The freshwater fishing kit includes 4 reusable capsules and a syringe and costs $25. Have you ever tried bow fishing? It's basically fishing with a bow or crossbow. Let us know in the comments what you think about this pastime. In the meantime, here's a compound bow that's perfect for bow fishing. It comes with 55 meters of line and sells for $200. Meet the Frontier 650, an amphibious, all-wheel drive vehicle that turns not just the fishing trip, but the whole journey to the lake into an adventure. It reaches 35 kilometers per hour on land and 5 kilometers per hour on water. It seats for people and costs $13,600. Kanama hooks are ideal for fishing with live shrimp. They stay firmly in place without piercing the bait and even glow in the dark. A set of 30 hooks in 3 different sizes costs $39. The new Direction Tackle C10 scale is a smart mat, designed for weighing carp. It measures from 100 grams up to 5 kilograms. Thanks to its thoughtful design, you can weigh the fish quickly and release it as soon as possible. The company Nyquax develops and markets super hydrophobic down. Our NHD version was the first in the world to pass the shake test. After a full week of continuous water exposure, a sleeping bag filled with this down will float. Just imagine all the great gear that anglers could fill with it. The Predator Premium Pro net stands out for its wide range of options. Want a floating version? No problem. Need to add a magnetic holder with a safety cable? Easy. Even the handle is available in 2 versions. Wood or carbon fiber, this net starts at $141. The Outbreak for 50 XD Blackout Tent is made from Storm Shield, insulated fabric that blocks nearly all light, making it ideal for ice fishing. Whether you're going alone or with company, the tent has an area of 7 square meters and costs $500. These floats glow thanks to electrolysis. They're 110% brighter and last 3 times longer than standard floats. Each one works for 72 hours before needing a recharge. There are 5 color options, 3 for daytime fishing and 2 for night. Each float costs $15. The Aquamarine Caliber Kayak is a great option for anglers, especially thanks to its solo mode caliber. In this mode, the deck is stable enough for standing casts. Need a break? Sit down in the comfortable folding chair and measure your catch using the built-in ruler. The kayak supports up to 180 kilograms and can carry a large container, like this one on board. The quick-lock dinghy wheels at 25 centimeters in diameter make launching an inflatable boat a breeze. They can be installed without tools in seconds, lock automatically in both the raised and lowered positions, and aren't affected by salt water. With quick-lock dinghy, your boat gains freedom and you have more time to fish. A set of 2 wheels costs $365. The JRC Skyliner is like a magic wand that any carp fishing fan will appreciate. Made from carbon, this throwing stick weighs just 70 grams and lets you cast bait long distances without straining your muscles. With the JRC Skyliner, fishing becomes an art form. This throwing stick costs $67. This mat is also designed with carp anglers in mind. It allows you to safely remove the hook after bringing the fish out of the water. You can weigh and photograph your catch right on the mat. It reduces the risk of injury to the fish, which will make other anglers happy. The price is $81. Let's talk waders. These are boots connected to a waterproof overall, used for wading into the water while fishing. On the screen, you can see the Inspire chest boot foot model. It's known for its breathable material and single-handed strap adjustment. The boots are wide to making them easier to slip on. The price is $116. Meet Probe, the world's first lure tracker. It measures water temperature, diving depth, lure speed, and more, and then displays the data in a mobile app. This helps anglers fine-tune their casts and, for example, guide a lure precisely through the thermocline zone. The starting price for Probe is $103. These scissors are so small and light, they can clip onto the brim of a baseball cap, but thanks to their patented ceramic blades, they can easily and safely cut through fluorocarbon lines. Rated up to 45 kilograms, you can get them for $17. Time to cook dinner. Then it's the perfect moment to bring out the Toadfish Stowaway Set. It comes with a folding cutting board, a folding fillet knife, and a case. This kit is incredibly handy for outdoor cooking since it fits easily into a backpack, and it supports sustainable fishing too. As part of the proceeds go toward fish population restoration. The Toadfish Stowaway costs $96.